This is DJI Flip FLY MORE, and today I'll show how you can change the Wi-Fi network your remote controller is connected to on this drone. So to start, you will obviously need to power on the remote controller and now launch the control and notification panels by swiping downwards from the top part of the display like that. Here, touch and hold at the Wi-Fi shortcut to open the Wi-Fi settings and preferences. Now select whatever network you would like to switch yourself to, like this one per se. Input the network credentials or the network password, and once you do, tap connect. And as you can see, that's it. The network I was connected to has been successfully modified. So, should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.